Let's take a ride. With a tow hitch, you can easily mount the Mini Rear Bike Carrier Compact on your MINI Countryman. Stored safely under the load floor in your Mini's boot with the accessory storage tray. Hands-on, no special tools are needed to set it up. Plug the trailer tow hitch in position. First, unfold the carrier. Take the retaining arms out and mount them onto the supporting clip. Unlock the clamping lever and swing it upwards. Ready to mount. Lift the bike carrier and push its support horizontally over the ball head. Align everything parallel with the bumper and swing the clamping lever down until it engages. Tight. To keep the Mini Bike Carrier Compact protected, lock the lever and take the key with you. Safety first. Prepare your carrier for traffic. Take the plug out of the holder and push it into the socket. Lock it by turning it 90 degrees clockwise. Please check the function of all the lights before your journey. Flexibility is key. Press the locking mechanism on the back of the lights and align them with the legally mandatory distance to the load's outer edges. Remember, in some countries a third license plate must be visible on the bike carrier. And don't forget to secure the tire fixes on tire holders that are not being used. Now the Mini Rear Bike Carrier Compact is ready to transport your bike. Let's roll! Check out our other how-to videos for more about your Mini.